Next up is question 30 for passage 3 here. Question 30 reads, the author uses the phrase aerodynamic sweet spot in line 63, most likely to. As in previous questions, my first instinct is to go back to the quote and put it in context, so I can think about how I might finish this sentence rather than letting the question guide my thinking on that one. So let's go back to line 63 and see what we can learn. If we put this in context now, this is the first sentence in this paragraph, so I might even go a sentence before just to see, where are we coming from, and again, where are we heading? So starting up here at line 59, we read, showing that birds care about syncing their wing beats is definitely an important insight that we didn't have before. Scientists do not know how the birds find that aerodynamic sweet spot, but they suspect that the animals align themselves either by sight or by sensing air currents through their feathers. So now that I've put this phrase in context, I'm noticing we have this word find here and as well as align here. These feel like related to location. This is a place that the birds have to get to. That sweet spot is located somewhere. The other thing that I'm noticing, it's definitely about their wing beats, right? It's about how they're flying. So as I'm looking at the answer choices, I'm going to be thinking about, is this related to how the birds are flying? And is it a location? Is it something that they can find? So let's check out our answer choices. Choice A says, describe how the proper structural design of an airplane helps to save fuel. All right, this one is definitely incorrect because it's talking about airplanes and not birds. How about choice B, show that flying can be an exhilarating experience? I'm sure flying is an exhilarating experience, but it's not something that they mention in this quote. So we're going to get rid of this one as well. Choice C says, describe the bird's synchronized wing movement. Okay, this one I like, but it doesn't go all the way. It does talk about, how they're flying and those wing movements that they have to have, but it doesn't really seem like it's something that can be found, a location to get to. So let's check out choice D and see if we can get a little bit better. Choice D says, suggest that a certain position in a V formation has the least amount of wind resistance. All right, this is checking all of my boxes. We've got a position and we've got this allusion to flight with this wind resistance. So I can definitely eliminate choice C and circle choice D.